In today's video, we are going to show you how to share an Edpuzzle video with your students or classmates. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that you are logged in using your teacher account, and then hover to the left side area of the dashboard and click the My Content, because this is where all your content like videos live. Now, open the video that you wanted to share. Okay, for example, this one. And there should be an option on the top corner that says Share. Now, if you can't find the Share button, click the private, and you want to make sure that the video that you wanted to share is in public mode. Otherwise, if it's on private mode, it's not going to be shareable, right? As you can see, if you change the status, you now have the ability to share it. You have two options here. All right. Number one option is copy the link if you wanted. And of course, second option is if you want to copy a specific link for your website to embed it. But for now, I'm going to copy this. And of course, you can share it via chat like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or if you want to send it via mail or email, you can do so. All right. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to share an Edpuzzle video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.